I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to show you how to plug a tire. So these are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. A side cutter. This is a plug kit. It comes with the reamer, the installer, and a bunch of plugs. Razor blade, some soap water, and spray lubricant. Okay, so there's some kind of screw or something in the tire. I'm going to remove it. So with my reamer, I'm going to be shoving it in. And what that does is it opens up the hole so I could put in my plug. Okay, so I'm going to be using a plug. Putting in my installer. I'm going to be shooting some spray lubricant on. So I'm going to be pulling this reamer out and then pushing in the plug. And just hold this down and pull this guy out. So I'm going to be cutting off the excess with a razor blade. So I'm going to be shooting some soap water, making sure there's no leaks. Okay, and you're good to go. So that's how you plug a tire. Make sure to subscribe, give me the thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.